Hi everyone, I'm Jayvee Martinez from Section Foxtrot. Today we're going to answer the 10 chosen question which will serve as our final oral exam. Let's start. And to make it sure, let's have the blindfolded one. First question. What is the principle behind the paraffin test? So the principle behind the paraffin test is while the residue is deposited on the target or on the barrel of the gun, some of these burned and partially burned particles may escape on the breech on the barrel of the gun, and some of these may be embedded on the exposed surface of the hand to the person who is discharging it. Second question. What are the materials and apparatus needed in paraffin cast? So the materials needed in paraffin cast are paraffin wax, bond paper, beaker or casserole, absorbent cotton, burner, and tongue. Third question. What are the methods used in determining the probable time gun has been discharged? So the methods used in determining the probable time gun has been discharged are Lucas test, odor or hydrogen sulfide, odor of the barrel, presence of nitrate or also known as the cotton swabbing, and then the dermal nitrate test. Fourth question. What are the common commercial explosives? So the common commercial explosives are blasting caps, safety fuse, detonating cord, blasting agent, booster, slurries or gel, and lastly, the black smokeless powder. Fifth question. What is arson? Under Article 320 of the Revised Penal Code, the destructive arson, it simply pertains upon the malicious burning of dwelling, house, or building of another. Sixth question. What is a tool mark? A tool mark is an impression, cut, scratch, gouge, or abrasion made when a tool is brought to contact with an object. A tool mark can be classified as a negative impression or as an abrasion and a friction type mark, or it could be the combination of the two. Seventh question. What are the two types of glass fracture? So the two types of glass fracture are radial fracture and concentric fracture. First, the radial fracture. It is the primary fracture, resemble the spoke of a wheel where the rotating rod originates the center point. On the other hand, the concentric fracture, it is the secondary fracture, having the appearance of a circle around the point of impact, connecting one rotating crack to the other, thus forming the triangular pieces of glass. Eighth question. Why is toxicology important in the study of criminology? So, toxicology is important in the study of criminology because it provides a reliable and critical information or knowledge just to convict a perpetrator. So, since we cannot say he is a criminal without any reliable evidences or a proof. And as what I've learned to my previous professor, Section 1 of the Rule 128 and the Revised Rule on Evidence, the evidences is absolutely necessary just to convict a perpetrator. It could be a real or autoptic evidence, documentary evidence, or it could be the testimonial evidence. So that's how important it is in the performance or in the study of criminology. Ninth question. How do you describe the types of poisons? So the types of poisons are true poison, corrosive poison, and cumulative poison. First is the true poison. True poison is one that is still poisonous no matter how diluted it is. Second is the corrosive poison. Corrosive poison, it is a chemically produces local destruction of tissues. Third is a cumulative poison. Cumulative poison, it is the one that increase suddenly a intensity after after gradual addition of it. Then the last question, what is DNA? DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid, and it is a chemical substance found in all cells in whose composition has been passed from their parents up to their children. All cells have the same DNA composition except to our individual sperm and egg cells. Alright, so that's all for this oral exam or discussion. I hope that you learned something from this video.